Welcome to our journey into the incredible world of DNA. Today, we'll use a creative analogy to unravel the structure of DNA, often described as a double helix. Imagine the DNA structure as a majestic spiral staircase, stretching infinitely upwards and downwards. Just as the staircase's steps make it unique, these 4 nucleotide bases are the building blocks that make up DNA. The base pairs, like steps, always connect in a specific way with the help of hydrogen bond. A with a double hydrogen bond links to T, and C with a triple hydrogen bond links to G. The sugar-phosphate backbone acts as the sturdy support of our staircase, giving DNA its structure and stability. These bonds, known as phosphodiester bonds, link the sugar molecules of adjacent nucleotides. As the staircase twists, the DNA's double helix is born, with base pairs holding tightly despite the twist. Just like these characters move in opposite directions, DNA strands also run in opposite directions, a phenomenon known as antiparallel arrangement. Talk about the following facts to instigate students' interest. To delve even deeper into DNA's wonders, keep exploring and learning. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the staircase of life. Stay curious and keep discovering.